Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here, and today I'm going to go ahead and open up my second of my Last Jedi Last Jedi hobby boxes. The first one it was a very interesting box. So, this might be a product you might want to check out. Just have to go back and watch and see what I got. It's definitely different. I've never seen some of the stuff I got out of that box. I'll just say that. Alright. Go ahead and get started. Here's pack number one. There's several of the autographs out of the movie actors I would like to get out of this. Besides the obvious, like Rey or somebody like that. There's Officer Nandan Rhodey, Alcida Aoka, Supreme Leader Snoke, Resistance Gunner Paige Tico. That's one of them I'd really like to get in green. I think there's Snoke autographs, which of course I'd love to get that. This is a blueprint of Kylo Ren's fighter. The Casino in Canto Bight, the Hallways of the Supremacy, and the Surface of Crate. You can also get sketch cards and auto. You're guaranteed a sketch or an auto per box. So we'll get at least one of those two. Resistance Transport Pod, Rey, Kai Thernali, a green TIE Fighter pilot, R2-D2 blueprint, Jimmy V, that's another auto I'd like to get, the new R2-D2 guy. The Trenches of Crate, the new Chewbacca guy I'd like to get too. He's in here. Chewie and a Porg on the Falcon, and First Order Heavy Assault Walker. So I think it's actually a decent autograph list. The Force Awakens autograph list was a little dry, I thought. A lot of guys that were only in the movie for just a few seconds. So I'm hoping that I get somebody that had some lines at least in the movie or something. TIE Fighter pilot, Admiral Akbar, Captain Phasma. She has autos in this. A blue Caretakers, blueprints, In the Dark with Kylo Ren, Resistance Cruiser, Resistance Ski Speeder. Resistance Gunner Paige Tico, First Order Stormtrooper Executioner, Lovey, Bargwell Tomder, a purple, the Police of Canto Bight. It doesn't have stamping on it. I don't know if you can see that. The foil stamping is gone, but there's an impression there where you can read it, but the stamping is gone. There's a Finn Illustrator card, Libertine Praetorian Defense. Lieutenant Jober Tavson, Waterman. Now this, okay. I'll set that card aside. There's something that's confusing me here. SE8 Waiter Droid, Cadel Co Conics. That's one that I would like to get. Billy Lord. Along the Coast of Octu Blue, blueprint. First Order Heavy Assault Walker, and Anodyne. General Emmett, Lieutenant Jober Tavson, Waterman, SE8 Waiter Droid, purple. Man, my purples are missing the foil on the lettering. Along the Coast of Octo. There's a sketch, or it's not sketch, illustrated card of Chewie and a Porg, Anodyne, and At the Casino. That kind of sucks that my purple cards don't have foil lettering on them. R2-D2, Luke Skywalker, the Nefarious Captain Phasma. Again, purple with no stamp. It's a Resistance Transport Pod. Those are the Fathier, Resistance X-Wing, Interior Bridge of the Supremacy, Ray on Op 2. That's bad quality control for tops there. Porg, Kylo Ren, Resistance Soldier, Ray missing the stamping. But man, I'm getting a lot of purples though. That's weird. BB-8, At the Casino, the interior of the Raddus, and Finn on crate. Colonel Ansiv Garmuth, First Order Gunner, Commander Diasi, 2 BB-2, green Captain Phasma. That has the stamping. There's one of these illustrator cards of Finn. The Caretakers, Kylo Ren Shuttle. Praetorian Guard, First Order Flame Trooper, General Leia Organa. There's a blue Kylo Ren Shuttle. Resist the First Order. Ray on Op 2, the terrain of Op 2, First Order Star Destroyer. Kadel Coconics, got a Porg, Kylo Ren, Resistance Soldier, Blue Libertine. This is a Finn sticker. I got a Finn sticker in the last box, so that kind of stinks. It's a nice sticker, but you don't get very many stickers, so I wanted a different one. Interior of the Raddus and Finn on crate. I believe I got 2 stickers that last box. Snook at the Casino Tables, First Order Walker, Captain Moden Canaday, Chewbacca, Lovey Green. There's a Poe. These are portrait cards, not sketches. TSO2 Medical Droid and the Fathier. Armo Malau. Ooh, got something gold colored there. Father Jockey, BB-8 9E, General Hux, blue, First Order Star Destroyer, First Order TIE Fighter. That's a Rose illustrator card. Oh, nice. Out of 25. That's sweet. Luke Skywalker illustrator cards. That is a very nice one. Gold out of 25. That actually might be worth a little bit of something there. Very cool. It's got Snook at the Casino Tables, First Order Walker, Captain Moden Canaday, Resistance Screen. There's a Ray Resistance card. That Medical Droid, Fathier, Millennium Falcon. This feels really thick. I think that might be another one of those relic cards. We got, spoiler alert, but I'd never seen anybody pull one of these. I've watched some openings. We got a relic card out of our first box. And it was thick like this, but that doesn't feel like a medallion in there. We'll see. Poe Dameron, Neeper's Panpick, BB-8, Rose Tico, the Casino and Canto Bite. That's red. That's unusual. I don't think I've remember pulling a red, and usually reds are one of ones that's not, doesn't say one of one or anything. Resistance card. Outside the Casino in the game of Zimbiddle. I think I want to see what Zimbiddle is. I'm sure they came up with the whole background of what that game is. I like the cards that they got there for it. I need to look up and find out, because I did not get a red card the last box. Thotabin, Captain Sebos Tamas, Captain Ederson PV. Yeah, I'm gonna put that over there. Because at the end of this video, I want to ask you guys about something using these two cards and get an opinion on these two guys. BB4, Blue Ray on Octu. There's a Executioner Stormtrooper illustrator card. A little Ice Fox and Kylo Ren's Solitude. Chewbacca, C-3PO, Vice Admiral Holdo, Tripto Booball, Admiral Akbar Green. There's Kylo Ren illustrator card. I really like that set. Resistance A-Wing and Under Akbar's Command. Resistance Soldier, along the coast of Octu, the Police of Canto Bight, Green First Order Stormtrooper Executioner, Poe and his illustrator cards, TIE Silencer, First Order Dreadnought, and a break in action. In the action. C-3PO, Vice Admiral Holdo, Tripto Booball, Resistance Bomber. There's one of the Rey illustrator cards. Ooh, there's a gold. Rey on Octu. Resistance A-Wing and Under Akbar's Command. Yeah, 25 out of 25. That's sweet. Rey on Octu. Man, 2 gold inserts in here. And they're pretty nice ones, I think. Rey and Luke Skywalker. Pretty nice box. And we still haven't had our first hit yet. I mean, I'm thinking that there's a hit in there, but there's DJ, First Order Stormtrooper, Finn. Oh, I think we got another sketch. The Terrain of Octo Blue, Poe Dameron's X-Wing, Resistance Screen, and there's a Rey continuity card. The last time we got one of these in a pack, it had a sketch card in the pack. Yeah, Star Wars, congratulations, you discovered a sketch card. So we'll get to see that. So there's our hit. Resistance Bomber, A-Wing Pilot Tally, Resistance Cruiser Bridge Guard, Snook Ukrfe. There's a Praetorian Defense, blue. That is a portrait card of the Praetorian Guard. Inside the Raddus, TIE Fighters in Flight. And I think that must be a medallion. It doesn't feel heavy though, that other pack over there. A-Wing Pilot Tally, Resistance Cruiser Bridge Guard, Snook Ukrfe, TIE Fighter Pilot, blue Resistance Transport Pod, the Stormtrooper illustrator card, Inside the Raddus, and TIE Fighters in Flight. And this pack. Got Resistance Transport Pod, Rey, Kai Thanali, General Emat, blue Kylo Ren's Solitude, First Order sticker. I think I got that sticker also in the last box. How weird. The Trenches of Crate, and Chewie and a Porg on the Falcon. Alright. Wow, a couple really weird boxes there. Okay, let's see what this is. Yeah, you know, this probably is a medallion. Just doesn't feel that heavy. Like a normal medallion would feel. The Police of Canto Bight in blue, Millennium Falcon. There's one of those BB-8 resist cards. Oh, and it's a Porg with the R2-D2 medallion. I've not seen any of the medallions numbered, but I don't know if people just the openings I've seen, no one has mentioned a medallion being numbered. But the medallions are kind of nice this time, I think. They're not really medallions like badges, kind of, but they're metal. Alright, so now let's look at the sketch. Alright, first, let's see who this is. Daniel Kidwell. Don't recognize that name. I did see some blue pin. This is this way. There's Luke Skywalker. Yeah, like a blue pin sketch there. You can tell who it is at least, but I don't know. Daniel Kidwell. I kind of like full color sketches a little bit better, but I cannot complain about sketch. Very cool. I'll go ahead and put it in a mag. Okay, so there's that sketch of Luke Skywalker by Daniel Kidwell. Now, I am going to show a sketch I got from my other case, and I want to ask people, the viewers, which one of these guys is this? Because at first I thought it was this guy, Thotobin, but could be this guy too. Watabin. Thotobin and Watabin, they must be related somehow. I think it's this guy, because this guy, his teeth are real prominent in his smile there. So I think it is Thotobin. I thought it was Thotobin before, but I did not realize there's two of these guys that look pretty similar. And he has kind of like pointy ears up on top, where this guy doesn't. So, and this guy has a necklace, where this one doesn't. Anyway, I think it's definitely Thotobin. All right, so this was a pretty nice box. We got a poured medallion. We got a red card out of these, which I need to find out if they're supposed to be numbered or if it's just a parallel. Rayo Knock 2 gold out of 25, and this really awesome Luke Skywalker illustrated card out of 25. I actually like this better than the sketch, but sketches are pretty cool because they're one-of-one pieces of art. Alright, stay tuned. Stay tuned for more videos later.